Mother Father Christmas.
Hey. Good morning to you people joining this morning.
Nata na ho ho ho.
Ho means there is food in the table or not. If not, I'll provide it for you this morning.
Okay. What about if Santa goes to a grog party and our kenda na bango bongisaka. Okay, what will Santa say?
Ho. Are you ready for the dance?
Are you ready to rumble?
Welcome back to Malangi Show.
Last month of the year.
The first day of December is
Right.
today. To all our friends tuning from the Northern Division. And along with about the count Robin Boki Modwata. We say as well to all our friends from overseas who are tuning this morning.
Good morning.
Maybe going for the neck thing. Pagkausip talaga na buong karabitabi na bi punueso ni Semsumikina. Mana bi sa burbur ta ni porong bulmikina. Na matagan tayo. Be sara ling na bing grabi.
Right.
Non tamatay balu.
Right.
Tuning in from Syria. Bir non taling na bing grabi na tamatang na visa na buong bing grabi na UN. Na wasi di bura-bura o Afrika. North Africa, South Africa. May India.
Right.
Nawa sa Pasifika. New Zealand, si pati Australia. Niyan radi mata bida. Kan bida ka turang neta Merlin na delebu. O Merlin Malin G.
Waila.
Bo santo no kaya. Ngunurti gunchiro bololo na mata lipa.
Totoka.
Sa bone bano be niyan bida ka turang.
Sira yang bakin dilea, yang rabinaka.
Santindi.
Iyo.
Tapos kay Wise tong ni Valu.
Unikais.
And LM69 Northern Usuri do yang rabinaka.
Right.
John Kumar, good morning. From Barara Valley Road, Singatoka.
Isa.
And everyone
Iyo.
joining this morning, the LM360 to good morning to Rokosami.
Iyo.
From Nailambao Telebu, joining
Right.
from the Suba Mokani Nausori corridor.
Oh no.
Joining this morning, and also good morning to all the people who are joining this morning. Madhaw Talangango,
Yeah.
Maruta Taltunga kena bakana numina Madhawan dua ni nonra Venkara bir na kanta ko na this able ngo na Brown Street liu.
Yeah.
Era rabaling kay nito bang nonra dalinga
Disability.
rongo
Right.
disability.
Right.
Era Maruta Taltunga na Madhongo na kena bakana numitu nonra songo.
Karena wiki na bito karena lumay na mataka dayday marutang sumer kan bangat tadi katalaw makakin berton nawe kan tur to siya macam main buku di pangkes mani keke
Right. Main ratamu
nanti
Right.
and na mataka binaka nikua Allah siya topati Merry Christmas and Happy New Year likewise wiki na mataka nikua this thing
This morning.
no the snake
Oh,
why is the snake act like a snake
because they are snake. They are snake.
Right.
Eh?
Right.
Snake act like a snake because they are snake. They got small head.
okay like put yourself in a snake
Oh.
tell us the story
Okay. When you see a snake,
take us back to the history.
the snake does not have a leg. They does not have a hand.
Okay.
Their hand and leg is their tail.
All right.
Their whole body. Their whole body divided in two parts. Only two parts. Only the head or a tail. They like a scent.
Oh.
Como kang sente?
Sandin.
They got a head, they got a tail. They don't have a hand, they don't have a leg,
Right.
they don't have a not a body. The
Ball. I thought he said the ball.
They got a scale which help them to move. When they run,
Yeah.
they snake. They snake.
Yeah.
They left, right, they bend themselves.
Yeah.
And they use the most sharpest and the strongest they have is their tail.
Right.
They use. So they only move when their body is shaken.
Yeah.
Yes.
They move like that. So when you see them in there are different kind of snakes. Some
Right.
snakes they are poisonous
Right.
Yes.
while they are biting.
Right.
Some of the snakes they can swallow
Right.
their food.
Right.
Some of them they chew the small food.
You,
Some
what
of
kind of
them
snake?
they are small in mouth, but they can take a big
Oh.
in whole.
Right.
Yeah.
Swallow it.
They just saliva,
Right.
saliva. When it's slippery, then they take it in.
Right.
Yeah.
Karena ka elestri itu kana semester cuma may Hawaii mereka.
Yeah.
And mata kabinan ko. Okay. The difference between a snake
Hidden
and
angel is the snake.
ano na ka tay sandende. Na boleh besar itu kan na mata ko. We turang nita na keria. Membuat di view sa cuma na koro na mata ko. The dragon.
The dragon.
Some say the fire coming out of the mouth.
Yes. Because
So the lobo inside the dragon or what?
not the lobo. They got a matchstick there. They got a service station there. Yeah.
One station
One service station in the stomach. The dragon. Where they spark the gas into their mouth. The sparkness is not inside the stomach.
Yeah.
In the esophagus.
Oh,
Yeah.
in the esophagus.
Yeah. In the esophagus. So when the esophagus, the service station is blowing,
Yeah.
nangon buka making na
Yeah.
bensin meloma, they just spark. It's like a gas.
Right.
So where there is the
I
dragon.
think it's in the teeth, eh?
Not their teeth. Their teeth it's for surrounding.
Oh.
Men daw bunita ka
Bukan
kita.
nambay ni service station.
Yeah, service station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a pumping service station too.
Pumping station.
Yeah.
Hey.
Kaya sige kalabangan to ni ko di sige laman ni ito ba? Dragon into the service station.
Yeah.
Limata wewe kina.
Mo tawi way.
If you want to go and visit the service station, you can go. Yeah. You just go there and look for spare parts. Kaya kaya pakilan ni most yun to ni sinyangomu. Sa sentry na ka go
Why do
there.
evil spirit enter the
dragon?
No, enter the printing.
Yeah, the printing because that's where belonging come from. They only follow the coolness footprint.
Right.
Erga mudah kau rangun saling bata-bata.
Right.
Yeah, because that will no cover. Where there is ada bonan tutur rumah bata-bata.
Right.
Because they follow from the underground
Oh.
where you step on.
Right.
Yeah?
The unwanted place.
Unwanted
Right.
place.
Yeah.
Because whenever you go, some evil spirit they go where their people are stepping on.
Right.
Erga tu bulu tutu.
Right.
So where there is,
Yeah.
you have to be prepared. You wear shoes.
Yeah.
You prepare before you pray.
Yeah.
Before going to a place. Tatu na kanu mumbula po nakalu.
Oh, LSC, Kerewewe Dams.
Okay, still on YY.
Okay.
When you go in the front of the mirror,
Okay.
which place of the body you YY first?
Okay. First of all, before I go to the mirror, first of all I check my hair.
Ah, okay.
I check my hair.
Check the balance.
Check the balance ko na data. You hands together.
Yeah.
You hands together. Pawai tang nalingamu.
Right.
And after that you start from the leg.
Why the leg?
Because the leg, that's where...
Start from the bottom.
Yeah, start from the bottom leg. You start
Then
from the
go
leg.
up.
Till the face.
Okay.
Okay.
Because myself, I never oil my face.
Right. Yeah, most people they don't do that.
I never oil my face.
Oh, you have to be mama that you so your face is dry because you don't put the oil in there.
Yes.
Yeah, because when I put the oil in my face,
Yeah.
and down body, it look like a molting in crab and
Yeah.
prawns.
Yeah.
Baka mendo watu lavo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't do that because every time, baka nabula may nandang kuskusi and it's paining.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to put any...
Me, just recently, I can apply oil on my face too. Before, no, I don't like applying oil on my face.
Oi.
Because me uncomfortable.
Oi.
I can apply cream,
Yeah.
but oil no. But now,
Yeah.
I'm used to it now.
Right. Yeah. Dapat na muna kila dotala question go. Dapat na muna era singdo mandu akil why do they like not manduaring
Yes.
entering the house without a sibu-sibu?
Oh,
Baka masantong tu matutunga buah.
Yes.
The sibu-sibu smile. Why?
right.
Because it's like a protocol.
Seven rendre.
Yeah.
Some of us we don't know because maybe the people there are your friend. Maybe you are sapa kaya lito na katuniman dua.
Broken.
Shameful brokenness.
Yeah.
Sapa kaya siya katuniman dua.
Yeah.
And sometime maybe you are testify saranga.
Yeah.
Sa sinari bosot saranga, then you enter.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Ilan noa? Go baka nangoningon na lewa. Kaya baka ito na durbo keep eyeing you. Baka
Yes.
bebuki uca nga rayani.
Alright.
What's the problem with that boy?
That boy is, I think.
Yeah. Mai.
The ahanga.
Yeah.
I think that boy is just admiring you, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know
he
that?
keeps
Do you
on seeing you?
right? Demes,
you.
do you think that's wrong?
Come
Do you think that's wrong or good?
when watching someone.
Yeah, like Buki watching.
You could be on watching. It depends on what you need.
Right.
Yeah,
Maybe you can talk because
but
we are being billed by 5 cents.
yeah, yeah,
Kandang buli na lima kango.
Right.
First of all, one is a mouth,
yeah,
nose for breathing, ears for hearing,
yeah,
tongue for tasting.
Yeah.
So these 5 cents will lead to your second move.
Right.
Right.
If I see you and never face myself away,
Yeah.
only 2 things is wrong.
Yeah.
Something wrong in my upstairs,
Yeah.
and if no,
Yeah.
something I really want.
Right.
Action speaks louder than words.
Ah!
Okay.
We women, when
Yeah.
we see someone
Yeah.
looking at us like that, keep on glancing like this,
Yeah.
we already know what they want.
Okay.
Okay.
Then why you never take a second move? Come.
Out of the 5 senses you have, which one is the sharpest?
The suppers is the tongue. Yang buta betul nak kini boleh tambah mudu ni selewa.
Kira-kira. Cut down your sense.
Ah?
Cut down.
Ada sesi ni.
Apa siapa sih?
Yeah. Leave only one for you.
Asa pinakataga mo sa kauban ni pangandu. Yeah, but ini pinaka to everybody. Use your 5 cents properly. Use in a proper way.
Yeah.
Use in good manners.
Yeah.
Because your 5 cents can lead to problems.
Right.
Can
Right.
lead you to damage.
Yeah.
Right.
Can
Broken
take
circle.
Can take you to the broken circle.
Right.
Yeah.
If you are married and use your 5 cents in a wrong way,
Yeah.
you can cause your marriage collapse.
Use 1 cent.
Use 1 cent korna tano.
How many senses does Thai have?
I have the subtitle 5 cents.
Ada pernah kayak main may bingo. Coruscant Hotel.
Oh, yeah.
Sabu-sabu, men. Mina boleh sabi to kan mata di ko.
Fiji Water Authority.
Iya.
Rafael
morning.
Soro doyan Rebinaka
Iya.
watching 5 senses.
Na 6 cents. Na hotel na 7 cents.
5 cents.
6 cents.
Hexagon.
6 cents, eh?
6 cents.
To the staff
Malolo.
of 6 cents in Malolo.
Right.
Isa yan rin welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Losa na to pati protocol do sim.
Okay, what sense, the 5 senses, what always cause trouble to you?
The cause trouble, first of all,
Is the eye sense.
Yeah, eye sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
eye
know,
sense
eh?
is troubling.
Yes.
High sense.
High sense ko na berani TV.
Eye sense is always troubling to you men.
Ano
Yes,
naka isa eles tu kan na pinabalik besar. Meron ni naikani tomba. May St. George, my Queensland. Hey, how's it, mate? Yeah. Hey, pinabalik besar kami nito kadarong at like taka share hat. And the 6 cents, 5 cents. And I'm